gratitude, give honor. They are commodities. They can maintain relationships. So anytime you are in a relationship with someone and you don't know what to give, maybe you feel you don't have as much value, maybe you feel you are not that educated, maybe in terms of stratification, the person is far higher than you. Lavish that relationship with consistent gratitude, and you would have matched up your contribution in that relationship. I have seen this work like a charm. I've seen this work, sorry for using that expression, but for want of word, I've seen it work in a way that can only be termed magical. That ordinary people, you will wonder, you will almost think they are unequally yoked. It's just that it's not with unbelievers. What is a great CEO doing with this orderly or this ADC? He may not even be so smart, but one thing they know to do is to say thank you, and that person will carry them everywhere. And you say, why do you love this person? There are many gifted people, and the great person will tell you a gifted rebel is not an asset. The person who may not be gifted but has a heart of gratitude is by far more valuable than somebody who is gifted with the tendency of rebellion.